protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
How come Bro did not record?
I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
Not copyright.
Brian still responded. Well, basically Skyrim responded.
The other was inside the home. You can be inside the church and still not belong to the Father. You can be inside the church and still not have the right love.
Alright, bet.
The Christ that you should have. I'm going to ask you tonight to commit your life to Christ. To make sure of your relationship to Him. And you may never...
Here we go. Here we go.
What's going on?
I think he got it on TV.
Oh, KTVO.
Yeah. KTBL's going off.
Hurricane Dick 2's dropping Hurricane Dick 2 and I'm driving a winter car.
Northeastern Greene County in central Oklahoma. Northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma. Southeastern Union County in central Oklahoma.
Oh! SVR! 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 SVR!
Where? Oh, new SVR. Oh, no, there it is.
Southern Oklahoma. Southeastern Greene County in central Oklahoma.
I'm going to be watching the IM.
At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alex, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 50 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following events are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Purcell, Lindsay, Goldby, Diggle, Washington, Cole, Alec, Bradley, Kleiner, Payne, and Aaron Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Expected hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Purcell, Lindsay, Goldby, Diggle, Washington, Cole.
What is going on?
And Aaron Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Oh my gosh.
It's 804. That's 1-800-380.
What is going?
Or you can write to us at Billy Graham, 1 Billy Graham.
This is insane.
I bet you WMT 654 went off, but all you have my 261 set to this.